Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll be going over how to install and update several apps for your Mac. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to MacApps.com. I'm already here as you can see, but if you type that in, just type in MacApps. You'll see MacApps.link, and we're going to go to this site. So again, this is free, just like Nine Night for Windows was. So in this instance, we'll download Chrome. We will download, let's just say Quicksilver. I'm sorry. And then we'll download, let's just say Insomnia. And as you can see, there's a lot to choose from here. So I just wanted to show you those three. So we'll go install the three apps. So now that we have this, we're just going to take this, we're going to copy, and then we're just going to go into our Mac terminal. So if we go to Finder, Applications, Utilities, and then the terminal, and then we're just going to paste that. Now I just showed you how to find the terminal. As you can see, I have it already pinned down here in my dock, but I just wanted to show that to anybody who just wanted to know where it is, just in case. We pasted that and we hit enter, and now as you can see, it's going to download and install these apps for us. And that's it. I mean, again, it's very, very simple in the same way that Nine Night was very, very simple. We just have a few extra steps here with the Mac version and having to use the terminal. But again, I always recommend when you have your terminal up, right-click, Options, and keep in dock. And for anyone wondering, this is actually Mac running Catalina, the latest version, as of recording this, which is May the 25th, 2020. So if you have any questions, please feel free to post them below in the YouTube video itself, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that I possibly can. Thank you very much for watching.